Contractions known alphabetically. Acknowledge, distinguish, administratrix, denominational, deficiency, efficient, electric, bankruptcy, arbitrator, cross-examination, special, enlarger, enthusiastic, deficient, amalgamate, administratrix, arbitrate, character, special, cross-examination, everything, electricity, capable, altogether, difficulty, characteristic, cross-examination, efficiency, enlarger, Englishman, distinguished, discharged, anything, arbitrate, arbitration, executive, reform, parliamentary, inconvenience, magnetic, inconsiderate, legislature, executor, peculiar, ratepayers, recoverable, peculiar, manufacture, incorporated, executrix, incandescent, financial, falsification, extinguish, government, expediency, performance, perpendicular, questionable, recoverable, familiarization, identical, parliamentary, preliminary, mortgage, irresponsible, January, howsoever, February, interest, maximum, practice, mathematics, manufacture, prospectus, never, publisher, nothing, organization, irrecoverable, intelligent, prejudicial, metropolitan, practice, minimum, mortgage, perpendicular, notwithstanding, irresponsibility, incorporated, familiarity, extinguished, peculiarity, manufactured, mechanical, publisher, neglected, proportionate, prejudicially, preliminary, knowledge, government, familiarity, financially, indispensably, intelligently, mathematically, mathematician, practicable, preliminary, prospectus, reformer, yesterday, whithersoever, telegraphic, thankful, regular, telegram, whithersoever, together, relinquish, sympathetic, wheresoever, unanimity, relinquish, sufficient, whereinsoever, unanimous, remarkable, substantial, whensoever, uniformly, represent, substantial, representation, unprincipled, universe, satisfactory, representation, representative, whenever, republic, whatever, sensible, universal, universe, subscribe, republican, responsibility, subscription, something, university, whatever, unanimously, represented, universally, relinquished, uniformity, remarkably, sufficiently, universality, sufficiency, thankfully.